Will you give me any presents?
Probably.
Can you give me some scissors?
No, leave that alone.
Wait up.
What are you doing, Kobe? Huh?
I see blue and red.
Say Merry Christmas, Grandma.
No, Merry Christmas.
Say Grandma. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Good job. Just grab the scissors.
Where is it?
I don't know, they're up there somewhere.